Because right now, even if you go to prison, come home, you're still a second-class citizen because of that felony. You can't work. Right now, you can't get a place to live if they find out you got a felony. I mean, it's just so many obstacles that it keeps a lot of people from coming from prison to be successful in society. I mean, seriously, like, think about it. If you have a felony conviction, you can't rent a home in America. And that says, what do you expect people from prison to do, or people with a felony to do? They're going to go back to the streets. I gotta make a living. I can't get a decent job. You to tell me that we have this inflation, I can only make $12 an hour? I can't survive off that. And so this is something I'm actually developing now. I'm gonna wait till after the election season to really present it. But I think that right now they did a study back in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. The Justice Department did. They did a 9-year follow-up on people that get out of prison. And to put it in a nutshell, what they said is that after 9 years of a person being free, the chances of them reoffending is very, very low. So my ideal is this here. If that's the standard that the federal government is using, then if a person doesn't get in trouble after they've been released from prison or off parole or anything like that, if they go through this 9-year period without getting in trouble, can we have the record sealed to where it's not used against you unless you commit another crime? Then it's out there forever. And I think that this policy that I've been working on will help make America better again.